How to add Google Ads certificate to LinkedIn profile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Google Ads certificate to your LinkedIn profile. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to linkedin.com and you gotta log into your account. Once done, you gotta click on this me icon right below your profile, and then you gotta click on view profile. Once you do so, you'll be taken over to your profile. Here, you gotta click on add profile section, and then you'll be able to see numerous options. So over here, you gotta scroll down and click on recommended, and then you gotta click on add licenses and certifications. Once you do so, you'll be taken over to an interface of add license or certification. So you gotta give your certificate a name. In our case, it's Google Ads certifications, and then you gotta type in the issuing organization, and in our case, it's also Google. After that, you're gonna type in the issue month along with the year. And then you're going to type in the expiration date, such as month and year, your credential ID, your credential URL. After that, you're going to add your skills, associate at least one skill to this license or certification. It will also appear in your skills section, and then you can add media such as images, documents, sites, or presentation. Simply click on save and you're good to go. So that was how you can add your Google Ads certification to your LinkedIn profile. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.